Hey, if you've got an LG TV that's just playing sound but showing a black screen, don't panic. I've got you covered. This is super common, and most of the time you can fix it yourself at home. First, try a power reset. Unplug your TV from the wall. Seriously, pull it out completely, even from the power strip. Now feel under the LG logo or along the sides for the power button. Found it? Hold it down for 30 seconds, even though it's unplugged. This drains all the leftover power inside. After 30 seconds, let go. Plug the TV straight into the wall and turn it on using the button on the TV, not the remote. Fingers crossed. Is the screen back? If not, second method. Unplug the TV again. Take the batteries out of your remote. This time, hold the remote's power button for 30 seconds to clear any stuck energy, then pop the batteries back in. Before plugging your TV back in, disconnect all the HDMI devices too. They can mess things up. Plug the TV in again, use the TV power button and see if that did the trick. Still nothing? Try the first power button trick again, but this time leave the TV unplugged for at least 12 hours. If there's still no picture, grab your phone's flashlight and shine it close to the screen. See any faint shadows or menus. That means your backlight's gone out. Time for a pro. I hope one of these got your LG back up and running. Good luck.